How to fix Frigidaire gallery countertop ice maker not working. So first thing you can check is the power supply. Make sure the ice maker is firmly plugged into a working outlet and that its control panel does turn on. So you should be able to see a light on the power. But if the outlet uses a GFCI or a GFI, you can check whether it has tripped and reset if it is necessary. The next thing you can try is to check the actual water level. So make sure there is enough clean water in the reservoir and that the unit is sitting on a level surface. If the water level is too low, the ice maker may not be able to begin an ice making cycle. The next thing you can try is to remove any ice blockage. So check the ice bucket and internal ice making area for cubes that may be stuck or frozen together. So remove any blockage carefully, then dry and reinstall the basket before testing the actual machine again. Now for this next step, it's gonna depend on your model whether the option is available or not. So you're gonna have to look into your manual to see if you have a reset option. So you can turn the ice maker off and unplug it for a few minutes. This is for the ones that doesn't have a manual reset option. Then plug it back in and restart it. So a power reset can clear temporary control or operating problems before you move on to more extensive troubleshooting. Then you can try cleaning the unit and contact support if it is needed. So clean the reservoir and accessible internal areas according to the instructions, and then run another ice making cycle. If it does power on and has water but still doesn't make ice, use the exact model number to check Frigidaire's product manual, or you can just contact Frigidaire support for more service. But those are a few options you can try if your Frigidaire gallery countertop ice maker isn't working. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.